We haven't seen the actual results yet because this morning later they're going to be presenting the START trial, which was with an immunotherapy called Stimuvax against MUC1. This trial gave an immunotherapy to patients compared with the placebo who had already received chemo and radiation for locally advanced disease. There was a lot of excitement about this concept, particularly in the patient community and financial community, frankly. Just wild excitement about it as a preordained positive study. And that wasn't borne out. Either of you have any thoughts about the trial, what went wrong, and what does this mean in terms of immunotherapy? Is this cast a pall on the whole concept, or is it just going to be individual based on the setting and or the specific therapy?
I can't remember off the top of my head the data from the trial. Other than that, it didn't end up showing the effect that was hoped. I think on a broader topic, looking at immunotherapies, we've known that we can induce some kind of immune effect against lung cancers, but I think part of the problem has just been that the cancer is very smart at shutting that down as soon as it happens. And so I was a little bit worried about all of these immune vaccine trials, that was essentially what we were going to see again, is that perhaps we could induce immune effects, we could pull out the T cells, we could see antibodies were being generated, but in the end that might not end up being all that effective unless you could get around the ability of the cancer to escape that immune system once it's been turned on. And so I think going forward, we're going to need to see combinations of things like vaccines with drugs like the PD-1s and the PD-L1s. That's hopefully going to be more effective than just the vaccines by itself. But unfortunately, I think these vaccines fell into the same problem that the past failed vaccine trials did, which is, it makes a lot of sense, but the cancer is smarter than we think it is at getting around it.